I live alone, so any strange noise sends me into a panic. Lately, it's been scratching. Faint at first, like a mouse in the walls. It started a week ago, only at night. I'd lie in bed, straining to hear, my blood running cold. I checked the attic, the crawl space, even the vents. Nothing. Then it changed. The scratching became more deliberate, like fingernails on wood. It seemed to be coming from the shared wall with my neighbor, Mrs. Gable. She's an elderly woman, rarely seen, always keeps her blinds drawn. One evening, the scratching was louder than ever. I crept to the wall, pressing my ear against it. Scrape, scrape, pause, scrape. Then a soft, dry whisper. It sounded like it was right on the other side. I froze. It whispered again, a raspy, drawn-out sound that sent shivers down my spine. I scrambled back, heart pounding. I didn't sleep that night. The next morning, I saw Mrs. Gable's face in her window, partially obscured by the blinds. Her eyes, thin and sharp, were fixed directly on my apartment. And for a split second, I swear, I saw a long, pale fingernail tap against the glass from the inside.